Note, the company has achieved 46% growth in its new business premium and 76% growth in the total premium that we have achieved by 31st March 2011. This has been in spite of very tough conditions in life insurance sector, as you are all aware, due to very heavy regulatory interventions starting from June and culminating in September, when all the life insurance companies were forced to withdraw their most fast-moving products. In our case, we had a plan, Group Tara, that was a ULIP pension plan. We met to withdraw that, and then we came out with the new versions of all our products, of course, as designed as per the IRDA's guidelines of cap on charges, which according to them is ultimately for the benefit of customers. So we introduced new plans from 1st September itself, but then in spite of that, with very active support and cooperation from the promoter banks who are our distributors, we were able to achieve 46% growth of new business. The company is primarily a bank assurance company, and we have been distributing our products through all the branches of Bank of India and Union Bank of India. And we also have around 1,400 branches of 7 regional rural banks who are also our partners in distribution. They are the banks sponsored by our 2 parent banks. So we have more than 7,800 outlets, and that is the strength of this company. We have achieved 758 crores of new business premium against 519 crores of last year. And this has been possible through individual business of 590 crores and 168 crores of group insurance business. So the total premium that the company earned is 933.17 crores, and this registers a growth rate of 76%. This is among the top few and the best in the industry, because as per the statements released by the IRDA, there have been tough times for many of the companies, but in spite of that, we have been able to achieve this growth rate.